Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Perform the indicated operation. We have to perform this division. So we'll perform polynomial division here. So let's write this polynomial 12x to the power 4 minus 25x cube plus 18x square plus 7x minus 20 divided by 3x minus 4. Now in order to cancel out the largest power term, that is x to the power 4, we'll have to multiply this polynomial with 4x cube. Because when 4x cube is multiplying this polynomial, we get 4 3s are 12x to the power 4 and 4 4s are minus 16x cube. So the x to the power 4 term is cancelling out here. So minus, so this will be negative, this will be positive. We get 0 minus 9x cube. And all the other terms will write as they are. Plus 7x minus 20. Now since this is minus 9x cube, in order to cancel out this term, we'll multiply 3x minus 4 with minus 3x square. So when minus 3x square multiplies 3x, we get minus 9x cube. Minus 3x square minus 4 is 12x square. Now when we subtract this, this becomes positive and cancels out. This becomes negative and gives plus 6x square, and all the other terms will write as they are. Now to cancel out 6x square, we need to multiply this polynomial with plus 2x. Now 3 into 2 is plus 6 and x into x is x square. So we get 2x into 3x as 6x square. 2x into minus 4 as minus 8x. So when we subtract this, this will be negative and cancel out to 0. This will be positive and give 15x minus 20. Now in order to make this 15x, we'll have to multiply 3x minus 4 with 5. So we'll write 5 here. So 5 3s are 15x. 5 minus 4 are minus 20. So when we subtract, signs will change and we'll get 0. So the division is 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. So answer is option D.